Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix connection to the game server lost error in Arc Raiders game. So if you are getting this error in Arc Raiders game, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the server status of Arc Raiders. So you can check the Twitter website of Arc Raiders game, and if you find that the server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. But if their server status is online and you're getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart the game. So just close the game and then restart the game and then check. If that doesn't work, then restart Steam. To restart Steam, click on this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. And then you can relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If you have the game on Epic Games Launcher, then do the same thing. Right click on this icon, right click on Epic Game Store and then click on exit and then relaunch the Epic Games Launcher and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restart your Wi-Fi router. So turn it off and unplug it from the power for at least 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for all the lights to stabilize. Then you can launch the game again and see if it fixes your issue or not. Fix 3 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code 1 by band and hit enter. These codes are just to reset your internet connection, so you don't have to worry about it. So copy and paste this code from my video description. The code is provided in my video description. You can copy and paste from there. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So just close the command prompt and just restart your computer once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. To do so, in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you've installed the game. So open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Arc Raider folder. Now select this Pioneer game exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, open Pioneer game folder, open binaries folder, open win64 folder, select Pioneer game exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on gen settings, click on allow another app and then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder, open Arc Raiders folder, select Pioneer game exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, open Pioneer game folder, open binaries folder, open win64 folder, select Pioneer game exe file, click open and then click on add. Now click on OK to save changes. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and later you can turn it on after playing the game. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. To do so, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected internet. Then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click on properties. Now tick mark use the following DNS server addresses and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then close it and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders game, then select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix connection to the game server lost in Arc Raiders game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.